We are determined to work with Simon Ekpa, UK Prime Minister, makes registration. You see, I always tell people that whenever I see good thing that somebody does, I'm going to come back and applaud the person. But whenever I see the bad side, I'll still come and say, "Mba, nah, imeto gansin." So the truth is coming out, and everybody is beginning to realize that there are facts and figures that should be done before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can be free. And that's what we are up to. That is what we are up to. Exactly what we are up to. For the time being, there's a continual reprocation in the world that one should face before doing the needful. Now, UK is extending their arms. Same UK that have failed to free its citizen from the dungeon of DSS. Yesterday, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor said that these guys are treating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu like a slave. These guys are treating Nnamdi Kanu like a slave. And what does it say? It is pitiable. It is uncalled for. It is a motion that shouldn't be tolerated. And that is why, whatever may it be, this is one situation that should be looked into. Our leader have suffered so much in the hands of these bloody men. These men that do not fear God. These men that think that they can do anything that goes scot-free. Ahmadike have suffered so much. And that is why we do the things we do. Just to make ends meet. In accordance. In a way it should be. So, if Simon Ekpa is doing well, we should equally support him. But where he does wrong, we should correct him. That is why we are behind him. Of course, when Nnamdi Kanu will do this, will come here, will correct him as well. So when you tell me that I cannot correct Simon Ekpa, no Meife, that means you have another agenda. Apart from the Biafra you are seeking for. Please, let's be guided in this app. Our mission is to actualize Biafra and let it happen in our time. We cannot be foolish doing it. We can't. You see, I told you, when there's a good thing to talk about somebody, I will talk about it. And when the person goes wrong, I will still talk about it. That's my stand. That is where I stand. Come in today, come in tomorrow. That is where I stand. Now, the point is that this young man called Simon Ekpa is moving with maximum speed, and a lot of things are beginning to come into closure. A lot of things are becoming more enlightened, programmed in the pursuit of Biafra. And now, one of the biggest channels of Russia television has now hosted Simon Ekpa, asking him why is he interested in Biafra and what does he have to do with Biafra referendum. this is a big news for us. This is a big news for Biafra. When you got free former or Obayoku, am I communicating? When you got free former Obayoku. So for some of you that have been criticizing me lately, no problems. Go ahead and do that. But the point is that election must hold in Biafra land, whether you like it or not. Election must hold in Biafra land, because if election does not hold in Biafra land, this government that have lavished our life, destroyed our life, will continue to do that. So election must hold. That is the aspect I do not agree with Simon Ekpa, and it is good to disagree to agree, and to agree to disagree. So it is in every learned dictionary that it is good to agree to disagree. So somebody will now come and pressurize me and say, no, because Simon Ekpa said this must be done like this. No, 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 no. I won't support that. I won't support that. It has to be done in accordance. It has to be in accordance the way it should be. So as we continue to push forward on the restoration of Biafra, there must be a point that we must make for the international bodies to listen. For the international bodies to listen. And Simon Ekpa is already representing us well. You understand? Simon Ekpa is already representing us well. So we must give him every support that we ought to give him. We must make sure that what he is doing is legalized by the law. That is why you see Nnamdi Kanu today, after they kidnapped him and brought him to Abuja court, he won. Because everything that he was doing was accordance to the law. They can't be killing my people and you expect me to fall down. You understand? They can't be killing my people and you expect me to fold my arms. So what Russia is doing, they are doing a great job, and we must, in every ramification, put Nnamdi Kanu first. So for some of you that said, Nnamdi Kanu said before he was kidnapped that no election in Biafra land. You know why he said it then, not now. Not now. So this must be a point of reference. That is good.